Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be simply upgrading the SSD on this 2012 Macbook Pro 15-inch Retina model. Now to do this is fairly easy. All you need are 2 bits along with the driver. This MacBook was the start of the Retina model, and it lasted up until 2015 until they redesigned the MacBook with a touch bar feature and the USB-C ports. Most people are not too fond of the USB-C ports, however the sleek design of the new Pro is a nice upgrade. The longest process of this repair was installing the OS onto the new drive. It took about 25 minutes. However, in the video, I fast forwarded the clip into 2 or 3 minutes. This particular MacBook is going to be for a customer that requested an SSD upgrade. So I thought, hey, why not make a simple video on it? It has a 256GB drive currently, and I'm going to be upgrading it to a 1TB. This MacBook will be going to a customer once I'm done upgrading the drive. This is one of the easiest ways to upgrade the MacBook, and it also applies to years 2013 to 2015. First, I'm going to power off the MacBook. I'm going to be removing the back cover screws with the pentalobe bit. After removing the back cover, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Before doing any repair, you have to disconnect the battery. After the battery is disconnected, there's only one screw holding down the solid state drive, and you can safely remove the SSD after the screw is taken out. I got the SSD from a friend for about $100 US, and it came in this little nice enclosure you see here. You can put the new drive in the same way the old drive came out, and also be gentle when pushing it in. After it's in, put the screw holding the drive back in place. I'm going to connect the battery, and then just clean out some dust while I'm inside. Dust buildup can be bad at times on these machines, however in my case it wasn't so bad. I'm going to put the back cover on the same way it came off, along with the screws holding it in. I'm going to power on the MacBook here, however I am booting from a USB drive with the OS on it. In this case, you're going to want to hold down Option first and then press the power button. This allows you to boot from a drive or an external disk. As you can see, the new SSD is titled OWC Aura Pro SSD. Before installing the OS, I'm going to format the drive using Disk Utility. After the formatting is done, then you can go ahead and install the OS. As I said earlier in the video, this is the part that took the longest. It took about 25 minutes installing the new OS. So make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection and the MacBook is connected to a charger. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I fast forwarded this clip so it wouldn't be so boring. When it's finally done, you can set up your Mac as you would like it's new and make sure everything is in working order. When I go to storage, you can see that it is a 1TB now. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. This was a short video and I hope you guys liked it. This video was actually edited with Final Cut Pro, which was my first time using it. It was also edited on a 2014 MacBook Pro 15-inch. Stay tuned for the next video.